Mr. President, ably represented by Mr. Vice President, Professor Yemi Osibanjo, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, distinguished senators and members of the National Assembly that are here, the former governor of Akpabio State, the administrator of NDDC and management team, the Inspector General of Police, service commanders that are here, Commissioner of Police, Rivers State, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I thought we came fully to commission this project. I didn't know that former Governor Akpabio will turn it a political rally. But let the records be straight. I prefer to stay where there is malaria than to go to where there is cancer. So, former governor, malaria is treatable. Cancer at 4th stage, you are likely to die. So I don't want to die now. So I'm very comfortable to remain where Nigerians have hope. Mr. Vice President, this is my first time of attending what NDDC is doing. I have never attended anything. In fact, I don't know who gave out the information. Just 7 months ago, I have decided to take over this property for security reasons. I'm sure that somebody must have told the interim head that, look, better go and complete those projects that the governor is about taking them over. You see, this is the problem in Nigeria. Look at a project like this that was awarded 2011-12. 10 years after is when we are commissioning it. This project shouldn't last more. It shouldn't last. Why? The minister has told us here that over 13,000 abandoned. Why would they not be abandoned? A project without conceptualization, projects that are being done politically, projects without no funding. Why will it not? You see, I was just telling the Vice President there, and thank God the Minister of Niger Delta said that it will be different altogether. NDDC has been a cash cow for politicians. Cash cow for politicians. You will see competition who will be MD. You will see competition who will be ED Finance, ED Project. Why? These are people that will make sure money is available for politics. You have portfolio contractors for that. Every now and then the MD will be running to Abuja to seek from the office of the RGF, from the presidency before, whose contract to award, when they are not even contractors. But once they pay the first lot, all of them will just abandon it. Let nobody say that the problem of NDDC is only the of Niger Delta. No. The problem of NDDC is entire Nigeria. You have the Abuja problem and you have the Niger Delta problem. So now they have promised us that you are going to change to make sure that NDDC will work. Let them work. Let them work. You see competition in National Assembly. Which of the projects will be included in the NDC budget? You see the ministers powerful. I was one of those who lobbied for you to be MD. If you lobby for me to be MD, should I not do the work? I should be able to do the work, and you'll be happy for making me the MD. I'm not doing the work and carrying the money to come and give you. Look at the interim administrator. Even if he leaves that office today, he will touch his man and say, look, I'm happy. While I was in charge there, see what I have done. Anywhere you are, whatever opportunity you may have, try to use it that time for the happiness of the people. Can't you say your face is shining? So, the only problems I have with the NDC, no synergy with the states. I took NDC to court, and we defeated them. How? You enter in somebody's state, you don't even know the development plan of the state. You start distorting the development plan of the state. The road you want to do is not your road. You want to realize with the state and say, look, what project do you want in this state? If you ask all the 9 states in the Niger Delta, say state A, what kind of project do you want NDC to execute? We're not interested in who will be the contractor. Our interest is that we are synergizing with you so that you don't repeat those things we are doing. Sometimes you go into our schools, you begin to build 6 classroom block, another person's school. I mean, how do you go to somebody's school without his permission? You begin to go to health centers to build. Who told you that is our priority? So time has come that you must synergize with the states. Let us leave this politics. The governor of Rivers State is PDP. The governor of Akpabio is PDP. The governor of Delta is PDP. The governor of Edo is PDP. So, forget them. If you say forget them, you are doing more harm to the people. Mr. President, let me first of all report that there is no collaboration we have had with the NDC that they have completed one. The Mother and Child Hospital, we are supposed to have collaborated with NDC. We brought our own part of the money. NDC didn't bring it down. Okay, refund us our money that you are holding. It was a war. Thank God they know if they didn't pay what the problem will look like. And they paid back that money. Now, the headquarters, where they are now, Mr. Minister, you are here, you and the MD. You told me in Government House that you partner with the state government, that you are going to bring 2.5 billion, the state government will bring 2.5 billion for the dualization of the papers. As I speak, you have not brought 1 naira. Meanwhile, the road is almost 95% ready. If you don't pay, I will make sure you won't use that road to your headquarters. Because, yes, because I'm not there for a Christmas. Yes. Yes, because, you see, I got the fact that you have built this one for police. IG will not send police to support you that day. Because I'm going to be the one that will need to block that road. Because you must fulfill what you have promised. You cannot make us to go into that kind of project and then you are withdrawing. Last night I asked you, it says in the budget, which budget? Which budget? So, Mr. President, please tell the Minister of Niger Delta to tell NDC to pay their own counterpart fund of 2.5 billion. Don't promise and run away. It is not good. And that is what, well, Mr. President is, I don't want to say that. Because I thought it's Akpabio alone that would have told him something. You know. We want to commend this interim board for realizing that every administration is a continuum. From not awarding new projects, but to complete the ones you have seen there. When I came in 2015, all the projects awarded by the previous administration, I completed all of them. Because it's public fund. It's public fund. It's not a question of who awarded. That is not the point. It's who finished it. Just like you finished the international airport. We started it under Akpabio when he was in PDP. All the performance Akpabio claimed he did, was it under which party? Akpabio became, Akpabio became an uncommon governor under where? Is he an uncommon minister now? It's not. It's not. So, you know, so it is the right time for you to come back where you became uncommon. This is the right time for you. Since you left, you have lost all that position. So today's the right day for you to make that decision. And I know as you're sitting down now, I know you will take the decision today.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.